So those are my pictures.
Have you ever had a Hertz donut? A Hertz donut.
One, that's Dick Rental Company, and two, I don't want to eat a rubber donut.
No. So have you ever had a Hertz donut?
No.
Do you know what a Hertz donut is?
No.
Hertz donut.
Shut up.
But
Yeah. I'm filming him. What?
if you put it on your Facebook, you had better make sure you say your mom's fat cat and not your fat mom's cat.
You jiggly kitty.
How about if you get the computer cord out from around the legs because you're about to pull the computer off the desk?